Good day, my name is Tafazwa Dexter Sgauke. I am a computer science student at the National University of Science and Technology. We are at the ZITF exhibiting under NUST. So my project is a surveillance and monitoring system for underground mining shafts. So we realized that in artisanal and small-scale miners, they are operating in dangerous environments without proper monitoring. So we have come up with a system by which, instead of sending real people to monitor the conditions of the mine shaft before working, we send our system that is equipped with sensors for temperature, humidity, gases, and detects dangerous gases underground. So it will be reporting live on our mobile application, which is this one. So you'll be seeing your conditions in real time as it happens in the mine shaft. So we have two main packages for the application. For small scale and artisanal miners, those with vertical shafts, they can use the traditional windlass to lower the device. And for those with vertical shafts and horizontal shafts, they can attach their components on a drone. So this is the system that I am exhibiting at the ZITF. Thank you so much.